Viewers, more breaking news coming in this particular story. Maharashtra Congress chief has compared Aurangzeb's regime to that of Fadnavis's government, the current incumbent government. Now, here the MPC's chief is drawing parallel between Aurangzeb and Fadnavis. He's saying that both people run their regime alike. Now, there's an irony over here where the Congress on one side is saying there was nothing wrong in Aurangzeb, there was nothing wrong with Aurangzeb, it's history, it cannot be changed. On the second hand, we have them comparing Aurangzeb with Fadnavis. Listen in.
आणि सदाकदा धर्माचा आधार हा औरंगजेब घ्यायचा. औरंगजेब कधी हजला पण गेला नाही आणि हा क्रूर शासक होता. आज देवेंद्र फडणवीसही तेवढेच क्रूर आहेत. सदाकदा धर्माचा आधार घेतात आहे, मात्र संतोष देशमुख सारख्या हत्या ज्या होतात आहे, जिथे खासदारांच्या लेकीबाळी सुरक्षित नाही, हा प्रकार आज दुर्दैवानं आज महाराष्ट्रात हा देवेंद्र फडणवीस सारखाच आहे. त्यामुळे औरंगजेब आणि देवेंद्र फडणवीस यांचा कारभार एकसारखा आहे.
Okay, viewers, big breaking news coming in that Tamil SI Rajan of Saundarya Rajan of the BJP Tamil Nadu unit has been detained. This is coming amid that protest that the Tamil Nadu BJP had called in against the liquor policy scams. A huge breaking coming in as the Telangana's police has now charged against what's happening with Tamil SI. Joining me live on this broadcast is my colleague Sarda.
And there are BJP protesters writing just before the van, stating that they would not allow her to be arrested. Hello? Yeah. So here Tamilisai is being detained by the police. Here the police is detaining Tamilisai Soundararajan, the BJP leader from Chennai. Here the protesters have been being held by the police who have been fighting against the Tasmak liquor scam. Here the BJP karyakartas are not allowing the van to be taken, fighting against the police, stating that this is an illegal arrest and that they would not allow the leader to be arrested. However, the police continues to detain the leader and want to take her away. Multiple leaders throughout Chennai have been arrested, including Manoj Pissalam, and he's been kept in isolation and not allowed to speak to the media. Here we can see the van crossing past us where Tamilisai ma'am is being taken away by the police. The protests however, the BJP continues to say that the protest will happen in Chennai with whoever is available, who has not been arrested by the police, whoever is not detained, would continue to go to the Tasmak head office and continue their protest. However, multiple leaders, important leaders, including Vinod Selvam, Tamilisai Soundararajan, Nayana Nagendran and Karunagarajan, everybody has been detained.